The Critical Damping Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine damping characteristics for mechanical systems. Let's start with the drop-down menu labeled Select Calculation Mode. You can choose from 6 options: Calculate Critical Damping Coefficient, Calculate Damping Ratio, Calculate Natural Frequency, Calculate Damped Frequency, Calculate Settling Time, or Calculate Required Mass. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Critical Damping Coefficient. Now for the input fields. We have mass M set to 5.5 kilograms, spring constant K at 2200 newtons per meter, and actual damping C at 180 newton-seconds per meter. There are additional fields for natural frequency omega n at 20.0 radians per second, damping ratio zeta at 0.65 and 0.7, tolerance percentage at 2%, and critical damping CC at 220 newton-seconds per meter. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. Critical damping equals 220.000 newton-seconds per meter. Natural frequency is 20.000 radians per second. This converts to a frequency of 3.183 Hz. The natural period is 0.3142 seconds. These values tell us the system requires 220 newton-seconds per meter of damping to achieve critical damping, preventing oscillation while returning to equilibrium as quickly as possible. Find the link in the description below.